Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through an incredibly simple yet useful feature on WhatsApp for PC, how to mark a chat as unread using a keyboard shortcut. This feature is perfect for keeping track of important conversations that you want to revisit later. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the WhatsApp desktop app installed and open on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, scan the QR code with your mobile WhatsApp to access your chats. Now, here's how to mark a chat as unread in just a few steps. 1. Open WhatsApp. Start by launching the WhatsApp app on your PC. You'll see all your chats neatly listed on the left-hand side of the screen. 2. Enter the chat. Scroll through your list of conversations and click on the one you want to mark as unread. This can be any chat, whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues. 3. Use the keyboard shortcut. Here's the magic step. With the chat open, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus U on your keyboard. Instantly, the chat will be marked as unread. You'll notice a green dot appear next to it in your chat list, indicating its unread status. And that's it. You've successfully marked a chat as unread using just a shortcut. This feature is especially handy when you need a visual reminder to respond to important messages later. By mastering this shortcut, you can save time and stay organized while managing your conversations on WhatsApp. Don't forget to explore other keyboard shortcuts for even more efficiency. Thank you for tuning in. Stay productive and enjoy using WhatsApp on your PC like a pro.